Today we are going to check the capability of GPT-5 as a paid program. For this demo, we are going to develop an interesting gaming application. My name is Reza, and this is Tech Talk Time. Let's get started. We first changed the GPT-5 fast to thinking mode because this is a programming exercise. So let's copy the prompt here. So what we wanted from ChatGPT is to create an interactive, playable 3D Rubik cube game where user can randomize the cube and choose between two solve modes. So we want the game to have an instant solve. So when the user click on solve, instantly the cube will be solved, or animated solve where each move by the program will be shown to the user in a 3D view. And to make the game more engaging and interesting, each phase of the Rubik Cube game will have a Pokemon character. And the cube dimension also can be adjusted by the user and be fully customizable. So let's send this to GPT-5 and see how quickly it can craft this gaming application for us. So far we have 328 lines of code. Assuming for this program, the length is going to be reached at around 500 lines. So as you can see, the program is complete and we are ready to run the code. So let's do that. So you can choose the dimension over here. So it can go for, let's see, it can accept 10. Can accept that. And then we have play controls like scramble, instant solve, animated solve, and so on. Then we have an option of choosing the speed for the game. Here we got an error basically. Let me move my picture from the error so that you guys can see what's going to happen here. So let me switch back and see here. So the error says the Pokemon Rubik Cube N by N3JS, there's a bug, and it's also provide us with an option to fix the bug. We press fix bug and instantly GPT-5 is working on finding an answer for us. Okay, it seems that the bug has been fixed. Let's clear console and run the code again. Hopefully this time. Oh, made it. All right, let's make this a little bit bigger. Front, okay. Left, right, but I don't see the Pokemon character here. Okay, so let's try a few things now, and then we're gonna ask GPT-5 why the Pokemon character are not on the site. So first thing first, let's see if we can change the dimension and it's reflected on the 3D view instantly. So rebuild. Oh, that's nice. That's changed. So the maximum for now it could go 7. That's nice. Okay, good. Now we're gonna be doing the scrambling. Okay. Okay, the scrambling wasn't done and some of the faces are still black. So there are a couple of issues in this program. First, we don't see the Pokemon character on the site. Second, the scrambling does not work properly. And yeah, let's ask GPT-5 to help us basically solve this issue. After some back and forth with GPT-5, we got the program working. This is what we have at this point. The user can choose from the dimension given in this selection bar, 3 by 3 by 3 to 10 by 10 by 10. We choose for now 5 by 5 by 5. So therefore, selection option here, new cube is inbuilt. And then we have randomization or scrambling menu. We have animated solve, and we have instant solve. So for now, and then we have two bar in here which we can control the speed of the animation for solving or randomizing the cubes. And then we have the character darkness in here that goes from light to highly dark. So that's what we have. Then the user can rotate this and see all sides of the cube. So for now, we choose the darkness to the middle, yellow, and then we can run self-test and also here this here. So let's see how the randomization done in the implemented program. So as you can see, the program has some speed at this point, and it's doing a great job for 5 by 5 by 5. We're also going to be testing that with 10 by 10 by 10 and see how it does. Now we go with the instant solve. So solve it instantly. We increase the size to 10. We increase the speed. So this menu bar increase the speed at its lowest, which it contradicts with what we do normally. We can fix that. So the speed can be shown to go high when we go to 600. But for now, the program implemented is this way. So as the menu goes down, the speed of the animation goes higher. All right, so let's try that for 10 by 10 by 10 and see how it does. We do randomization first. So you can see the program is at high speed and still randomizing. So we had a couple of issues during the program implementation. One of which was that some of the blocks during the randomization look dark. This has been resolved by GPT-5. The other issue was that the appearance of the Pokemon character on the side of the cube, which also been solved by GPT-5. And also the scrambling. There was issue with the scrambling where the program just scramble the blocks on the side of the cube, which that also been solved. So many of these troubleshooting and bug fixing problem with GPT-5 done just by taking a screenshot of the cube and sharing it with the GPT-5. So what it means is that we don't need to describe the problem word by word, and it's basically save time in which if you just can take a screenshot of the basically visualized cube and share the GPT-5 and take the picture, analyze the picture, understand what's going on, and propose solution to fix the program. So that it did a very great job on that end as well. And we got this program finally working after 2 hours of back and forth and trial. Basically, I would say that this is a very great paid program. So if you want to implement this kind of program with the basic software engineering, it might take a couple of months to finish it. The code was about like 600 lines for this program. I would say the coding efficiency is great. So let's do the final solve and see if the program does a good job in solving the cube 10 by 10 as it did for 5 by 5. So it's coming up and yeah, it's solved. So you can see the other side of the cube, all the Pokemon character appear properly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like us to produce a video like this on ChatGPT-5 and its capability, please let us know in the comments. Or if you'd like us to talk about other technology topics, we will be happy to do that for you. Just let us know in the comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.